I just got home, guys. It was hailing at Serpentine, from Swan Hill and all that sort of stuff. And I'm home now, and oh my goodness, this little thing is already wanting to eat my shoes. Oi! I'll give you meow. So yeah, I just got home safely, and yeah. Nothing's hit this town yet. Oh, it's slightly just starting. Slightly. But earlier, I was just travelling in it. Oh, I can't zoom it in. Oh, here we go. That's as far as I can get, guys. You can sort of see, like, little dark parts on the road. That's as best I can get. This phone's being stubborn. So here are some views from when I was leaving my auntie's house all the way up to getting home, probably as far as Bridgewater and Serpentine. I only took photos because videoing's a bit tricky when you're driving, so I have to keep pulling over all the time to take photos. So yeah, like and subscribe to Osha Tuck and Kitties. And so I had a good time up there with my GF and also my auntie. There's a bit of a story about that one, which I'm not going to go into detail without permission. So about my auntie, it's just a few little sad things, but we're trying to stick positive. But sometimes we can't beat stuff when it comes to serious things, but we can only try and hope. But anyway, so it's good. So I'll be going up there again in a fortnight's time to see those people and go from there. So here's a slide of all the photos I took from leaving my auntie's house up to my GF's house, and going up to home pretty up to now. Here they are. Little pig, let me in. I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your cat in. There you go. Are you happy, little pig, little kitty? Let me in. I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your pussycat in. That's my auntie's cat, by the way. Thunderstorm weather brewing in here in Swan Hill, guys, just before I leave. Pretty black, guys. Who let the dogs in? God, you let me in. Look at that, guys. Better than home. You get nothing at home. I think the thunder's rumbling a bit, guys. Cranking up. It's all coming in. And I need to drive in this damn weather.
Thinking about you oh so much, I'm losing peace of mind. Scared there'll be a treasure lost for all time. Whispering voices deep inside.
Really? Anyway, I'm going to do the slideshow, guys.